Hello everyone, today is Thursday Train once again, and today I'm going to be doing some alcoholics. I'm back in Arizona, and as always, when I get to Arizona, I start noticing things that I really love about the place, and probably one of the biggest things is the sunsets. They're always spectacular, so I'm going to try to make the sunset happen today. This might be a two-part, and we'll do the first part today and maybe the second. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, but today I'm going to just do the sunset part, and I'm going to be concentrating on getting my color gradation going. So that's my plan for today. Like I said, this is Thursday Train. Up before me, you should have seen Gert from Gert Creates, and congratulations to Gert. She just made 1,000 this week, so congrats. That's really something else. Up after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by art by Julie E. My colors are going to be, I'm looking for a pink, I'm looking for a blue, and I'm looking for a yellow. The colors I'm using for my blue is Cobalt. For my pink is Gumball. And for my yellow is Dandelion. I'm hoping these three will work together for me. I'm just looking for a gradient. So wish me luck, and I'm going to get started. I will see you at the end, and we'll talk about how this went. Okay, this is an interesting start. The reason you see me working directly with the bottle today, and by the way, I didn't talk about this is a 70% isopropyl alcohol. I'm using the lighter alcohol that are less straight, the lighter strength. I have the 99, I have the 91 here, but I didn't use them because I'm inside. It's very, very hot today, and so I'm just trying to move the alcohol around, and the 70% allows me to do more work with it. Now, the reason you see me working right out of the bottle is because my needle nose bottles are buried, so I have no idea where they are. I'm hoping very soon that I'm going to have my room set up. Until that time, I'm kind of stuck with what I'm working with, so we're making do with what we have. And I'm not unhappy with the way this looks. It's got lots and lots of texture. The sprinkles makes it look more aquatic, but I think after I'm done, you'll be able to see what it is. So I'm going to do the next part here in just a second, and let me get my stuff together. Okay, I'm back. Clean up my area a little bit, put my inks away. Now I'm going to do a little bit of painting here. Nothing fancy. I just need to put some hills in here, and I need to put some desert-looking things, just that twilight. So this is going to be the shadow. So I'm going to be using in brown and oxide black, and that's it. This is Van Dyke brown. And a little bit of oxide black. That's it. So let me see. I kind of like this over here. That kind of gives you that sunset feel. So I'm going to make a little bit of mountain then coming across where you kind of see that line anyhow. So I'll just fill out the bottom. So I'm going to start at the bottom and fill in this area first. It's like I told you, it's extremely hot. This is, I think we're 3 weeks into being back. We've gotten the things started that we needed to, so I'm getting closer and closer to being able to finally put my art room together. And so the wait is going to be over here very soon for me to get that done. I'm ready. Simple piece, very quick. You saw the ink go down, and when I finished, I was like, maybe those aquatic look wouldn't really work, but I think it does in the final product. The simple painting on the bottom, basically 2 colors, just to get myself some depth. From my side, I can see the variation, maybe not so much from the top. So maybe in the flyover when I did this. So that's what I have for today. I'm going to finish this off and give it a couple coats of Kamar, and that will keep the alcohol inks from moving around, and then I'll call this done. So I hope you got something out of this today. I know that doing the alcohol inks is kind of a way that I can really relax. It's very similar to gel printing. There's my expectations when I start are I have a basic idea with this one. When it came right down to it, was just letting the ink do what the ink was going to do. So up after, or right before me was Gert from Gert Creates. So go back and watch her if you haven't had a chance. And after me is going to be Just Janice, so stick around, followed by Art by Julie E. So until next time, I want to thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you there. Bye for now.